extreme weather we here. We actually looking at how much these dew point scenario are changing with band threat, and also we are checking out the weather bell different each time. This model only go to 6 hours. It's just not really far enough to see large difference. I will show you some precipitation and for like snow to so far, and how much they're going to get each round of how much snow you will going to get, and how much in the total. So far round maybe round Colorado region, you will going to get a little bit snow about around the Rockies region, and also there's gonna be a little bit flooding and a little bit snow, but still not very much different. All the way to the northwest, all the way to the northeast. But the more rain it is for the northeast part of around the Canada region, it's gonna be a little bit much rain and snow in the mix, and maybe around that year a bit, and also much. There's not lots of interesting, but about snow and also the rain is just that much the difference. And also we see was a little bit more coaster than that. In the there's like NEM, there's only 6 hours long. That's how much it is going to get on like NEM. Well, in a case about that, it is just like 84 hours long. It's a little bit more. Show you more than that to see where it's going to head towards each region. Going again. More interesting about that, it is below average temperature. These temperatures drops of singularity, and also the height, how much it is in an average. When you have a good cold air pool in, and also there's gonna be a lot of cold air coming in our way, and there's gonna be biggest drops than the history with the below average temperature drops, and it will incline or outcline of the system with a below average temperature drop. For the forecast between those below average temperature and also the clouds are maybe predicting what could look like in the future years, but there's not difference for the storms season. So far, there's gonna be a lot of foggy and a lot of winds, and also there's something interesting, about the Hurricane Prediction Center. I will show you in a little bit, because I'm thinking it's gonna be a little bit interesting about during the Gulf round the Hurricanes will bars the wind on. See, it's a little bit topical storm, and then it's gonna be back upwards, and then there's gonna be not much left, but there's gonna be maybe a little bit of rounds in there, and then maybe a huge storms coming on November 5th, but it's gonna be far away for that precipitation and a dew point scenario. There's a lot of cape in there. Gonna be a lot in the Gulf with that tropical storm or something like that on their way. Something about the Hurricane Prediction Center did something else like that on a set. Because maybe one of these in 5 days will be a 90% chance turn to be a tropical storm. We'll add up a name into our list. And also maybe a 30% chance. And also, for now, just in 2 days, is changed to 90%. It was like 60%, now it's 90% chance. Turn it into a tropical low pressure system. It will be very interesting for that storm. Will going increasing or decreasing with how much it's going difference with the wind. Because we don't know how much it will, the clouds, how much there's going again, but you can kind of see it. So rotation in that. Well, I will get it maybe a better view on the sky. This is the windy program so far at maybe around 9 o'clock is gonna be look like this, but I don't know, it was like this, but going to get closer for the warm water. I will show you on the windy program to see how much going to increasing with the temperature going changing over time with the tropical storm will be in the temperature forecast. But so far it is really warm in that zone. It is around 73 Fahrenheit for that tropical storm. Around that area, it is around 75 or 70. It's going to get warmer to get closer. I think by tomorrow will be maybe a tropical storm at 8 o'clock. Will it be around 30? The wind gust is more stronger. The wind speed is a little bit in there. We need to keep our eye on it for that to come with that system. How much chance will going to get inside the tropical storm? Well, does all the weather models agree turn into a tropical storm. Then it's going decreasing since then. It's not going to be Category 1, it's just a tropical storm. Then it's the weather models just going shows is going upper, and so it's going to be around this region and maybe heading towards the UK region. We need to keep on lots of things with the temperature and also how much these storms going until November in the forecast with it, with the temperature going increasing with it. There's still gonna be a lot of lightning strikes with that round up, with that temperature. So far, still gonna be there. The tropical storm, low pressure forming, going to get closer and closer to it, because it's just how much going increasing with it. 72 Fahrenheit, but it's a little bit warmer with the temperature. Well, the air pressure will still does the 29.3 inch hail bars or something like that. It's a little bit complicated than that for that low pressure system, and it's going to be really going to be a lot of precipitation in that region. Going to be a lot of it going happening. We don't know how much wind shear will go to begin on it. Earlier was a lot wind shear, but now it's going to get a little bit closer into it. Gonna be a lot inside that tropical. There's like 3 minus Celsius on index, but is also there's a lot of maybe a like volcano mess of around it, and history is just gonna be there around there. It's gonna be a very weird wind shear with the next tropical storm. This is extreme weather out here.